Hi everyone, let's see HTML paragraphs in this video. In HTML, paragraphs are defined using p tag. Whenever we add a new paragraph in HTML page, it will start in a new line, and also browsers automatically add some space before and after a paragraph. Let's see practically. Here in our index.html page, just added a heading and two paragraphs. And here note, for heading and paragraph elements, browsers add some space before and after elements text. And each paragraph will start a new line in HTML page. Browsers will automatically remove any extra space and lines in paragraphs when page is displayed. That is, here in this first paragraph, let's move this sentence into next line. Let's add some space between these words. Now let's save this file. Let's refresh our file. See, browser removed spaces and new line which we added in our paragraph. We can use break element if we want to break a new line in paragraph. Let's see. Let's remove this. Let's add break element. Let's save this file. Let's refresh this page. See, next sentence added in new line successfully. And if we want to display any pre-formatted text like poems, stories, etc., we can use pre-tag. The content inside the pre-tag will display exactly as written in our HTML code. Let's see. Let's add our pre-tag here. Let's save this file. Let's refresh our page. See, pre-tag displayed exactly as written in our HTML page. Let's add horizontal tag between these paragraphs. Let's save this file. Let's refresh. See, this break and horizontal elements are empty elements. Empty elements have no contents, and also empty elements don't have end tags. In our next video, we will see HTML text formatting. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.